Salon 431 in Hoover's Knox Square is now open. See how they transformed this to this and what you can expect. This new shopping area offers boutiques, bars, and restaurants just steps away from the Hoover Met complex, conveniently off Highway 150. This local salon is known for its knowledgeable hairstylists and luxurious client experience. They will bring out your best features whether you're getting a new color, new cut, or extensions. Speaking of extensions, Salon 431 has its own brand that's high quality and stocked in-house, so there's no waiting and it instantly matches your natural hair. You can get an appointment now. Check out their availability online or give them a call. These are your go-to experts for color, style, and extensions.